everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to introduce 3 short wigs to you, shorter styles, in large part because I never wear shorter styles. Now I own a cajillion wigs and I do not own any that are short, tapered styles. And the reason I've kind of gotten into it now is because they are so stylish. So many of the shorter styles are so stylish, and I see so many of you sisters wearing them and really just slaying. So I decided to conquer one of my biggest fears and try 3 shorter wigs that are styles that I particularly like and see how they work. So I'm going to try to keep this video as short as I can because this could be lengthy, but stay with me while I try these 3 really cute styles. I can already see why so many of you love shorter wigs, because it just seems like the install is just so much easier and so much nicer. So I'm hoping with these styles that they'll be really face flattering, because, as I said in the earlier video, this part of my face here, I just have this nice round chubby face, and sometimes when I wear the shorter styles it really just kind of accentuates that. So maybe that's just a crazy thing for me, but let's see if we can overcome this fear. Our first style is from Sensationnel. This is Amina. And Amina is a low maintenance, never out of style, classic look for anyone and any occasion. Along with her notable curls, the hair is away from your face to highlight your eyes and cheekbones. Put your pixie up and be ready to flaunt with this hairdo. The curls are really sweet. They're very nice curls. And I can see this really, as it fluffs out more, it will be really very cute. I have to be very honest. It's just not enough hair for me. I love the texture of it. She's really sweet and very pretty, but I know it's something new, but I want to try the other ones, and then I think I can really say something about this. I think she's adorable, but I want to try the other 2, and then I think I can make a more educated review on this. So upon further thought and doing the photos for the thumbnail, I really got a chance to really look at the previous unit. That just isn't enough hair for me. She is a sweet, adorable style, but I just don't like the way my face looks in that one. So let's go on to the next one. Little more hair. This is the Bobbi Boss Pro Cut Professional Salon Style Unit in Renice. Now I picked her up in a color, but you can see just a little bit more hair, a little bit more drama here. So let's try her on. All right, Miss Ronice has given me a little more drama here, not just with the color that I really like a lot, but this style. And I'm not one for hair in my face, but I think I can make allowances with Ronice because you really need to have this nice swooping bang, which is cut so beautifully. And I'm already loving the install process with the shorter wigs. I mean, there aren't even any combs in this one, so it just fits nice and snug on your head, but in a good way. This has a wonderful, comfy fit. But she cute. She cute. So I'm seeing even now that I prefer a little more hair. I love the tapered ends, but I just need a little bit more hair up on the top, which is going to lead us to the third one because it adds a little bit more drama. I am thoroughly enjoying the easy installation of these units. I'm going to become a believer in a little bit. So our last unit comes again from Bobbi Boss, and in the description box I will of course give you the names and links to where I purchased these wigs. But this next one is another Bobbi Boss wig, and this is Stephanie. She doesn't look too far from Ronice. She just has a little more length, a little more drama. I purchased her in DLT 1B/COP. That looks like this. And I just want to say, the blends, the color blends that Bobbi Boss does are just so amazing. It's just colors beautifully integrated into other colors. Can you see the reds and the oranges and the golds in there? Just beautiful. Of the three, she is just beautiful. I'm liking Miss Stephanie. I'm liking her. You know, the color has me, so we don't even have to go there. The color just has me. But she just falls into place very nicely. I love the cut of this. I love the little details with this. The beautiful layering that's going on here and that little swoosh right there at the ear tag. That is just wonderful. And if I really took the time out to really do her and maybe put some mousse or some gel on here to really put her down, but I really don't have to. She just comes out of the package looking like this. She's nice and tapered in the back. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. uh, I think Miss Stephanie took the crown. She is it. I'm coming to the conclusion that in shorter styles, I really feel better when I have more hair to play with, especially on the top. And I personally, I love the tapered ends and edges on these units. I really like that. Now, that's still out there, but you know, I like this. I like this a lot. Now, Miss Ronice, I like her too, and chances are I will be keeping her and enjoying her. Miss Amina was so sweet and so cute. Just a precious little unit, but I think she might end up in my Mercari store. Miss Amina was a very sweet unit. I love the curls. She was just pretty in texture, but I have the feeling that she's going to end up in my Mercari store, so I'll put the title of that store in the description box. And it's a place where many of the wigs that I own that are still in very good condition, I put them up at a bargain price. So I hope you'll go by there and check frequently. But guys, as always, let me know what you think. I really like all of them. I just like some more than others. Miss Amina, I just don't think is a style I can wear. I'm just not comfortable with that small amount of hair. But I love drama, I love color, and Ronice and Stephanie kind of did it for me. But I'd love to hear what you have to say. Thanks so much for joining me. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for taking time out with me. And please check out these units. The colors, the fashion colors are just amazing. And when you have short hair like this, a really kapow color makes a great difference. So I look forward to hearing from you. Guys, stay blessed.